Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning friends, we are group 8 with me, Kholifah Khoiru Addiniah and my friend Vera, Vidi, Hastuti. Today we will explain about semantics. In this section, its main point consists of first, definition of semantics. Second, lexical semantics, for example, synonym, antonym, hyponym, homonym, and polysemy. Third is semantic rules. Fourth, semantic ambiguity. Definition of semantics. First, semantic is the area of linguistics that analyzes the meaning of words, phrases, and sentences in language. The study of semantics includes the study of how meaning is constructed, interpreted, clarified, obscured, illustrated, simplified, negotiated, contradicted, and paraphrased. Lexical semantics consists of synonym, antonym, hyponym, homonym, and polysemy. The first is synonym. Two or more words with very closely related meanings are called synonyms. They can often, though not always, be substituted for each other in sentences. For example, almost, nearly, big, large, broad, wide, buy, purchase, cab, taxi, freedom, liberty. It is important to consider that the idea of sameness of meaning used in discussion, synonym is not necessarily total sameness. The second is antonym. Two forms with opposite meaning are called antonym. For example, alive, dead, big, small, fast, slow, happy, sad. There are two types for antonym, gradable and non-gradable. Gradable antonym refers to contrasting adjective, for example, big, small, while non-gradable antonym refers to those words that don't allow comparison. However, they have a complementary word, for example, alive, dead. The third is hyponym, when the meaning of one form is included in the meaning of another. The relationship is described as hyponym. For example, animal, dog, poodle, vegetable, carrot, flower, rose. You can see three diagram hyponym. The first is living thing. Living thing have creator and plant. Creator have animal and insect. Animal have dog, horse, snake. Dog have poodle and snake have python. Insect have ant and bee. Plant have vegetable, flower, and tree. Vegetable have carrot. Flower have rose. And tree have banyan and pine. You can see three diagrams happening another. For example, color have blue, green, yellow, and red. Color is refers to subordinate or hypernym, and blue, green, yellow, red refers to hyponym. The fourth is homonym. We use the term homonym when one form, written or spoken, has two or more unrelated meanings, as in this example. Bank of a river. Bank, financial institution. Pet, flying creature. Pet, youth in sport. Mole, on skin. Mole, small animal. Pupil, at school. Pupil in these eyes. Race, contest of speed. Race, ethnic group.
Polysemy. Polysemy can be defined as one form, written or spoken, having multiple meanings that are all related by extension. For example, head used to refer to the object on top your body's person at the top of a company or department. Iron used to refer to a type of metal, an instrument made of iron for pressing clothes. Semantic rules. The semantic rules are properties that the noun phrase have according to their meaning inside. Agent and theme. The boy kicked a ball. In that sentence, the person who executes the action is called agent. The agent in that sentence is the boy. The theme is the object or person that is directly affected or described by the action. In this case, a ball. Instrument and experiencer. The boy cut his hair with the scissors. In this example, you can notice that there is a tool that helps the agent to perform the action. That is the semantics rule of instrument. He felt happy about cutting his hair. When the action is related to a feeling, a state or perception, the agent takes the name of experiencer. Location, source, and goal. The keys are next to the vase. She brought some souvenirs from France. Marco travels to Mexico tomorrow. In the first sentence, the text in red marks the semantic role of location. In the second, the semantic of source. In the third one, the semantic of goal. Semantic ambiguity. Ambiguity, a word, phrase, or sentence, is ambiguous if it has multiple semantic meaning. For example, bank is ambiguous. River bank versus financial institution. Ambiguity can be defined as a word, phrase, or sentence that has more than one meaning or interpretation. The types of ambiguity: 1. Lexical ambiguity. 2. Syntactic ambiguity. Types of ambiguity. First, lexical ambiguity is if the ambiguity is in a single word. If a word has more than one interpretation and the same piece of information may be ambiguous as one context and ambiguous as another. For example, young refer to inexpert ambiguity, also called structural ambiguity, is a situation where a sentence may be interpreted in more than one way due to ambiguous sentence structure. For example, "Do yet live that Harry shall depose." William Shakespeare. Ambiguity occurs frequently in poetry, sometimes owing to the alteration of the natural order of words for metrical reasons. The sentence could be taken to mean that Henry will depose the Duke or that the Duke will depose Henry.